1950, 1951. Here I just was flipping through and oh, this cool data here. This is not my book, so I got to get it back to a guy, and I just was flipping through here looking once. Let's see. 414's on a D2, okay. Yeah. Now, this is actually really a unique book, what you run into in here. Like I say, I got to be careful with it. It is not mine. John Deere AO, yeah, A Orchard. Yeah. And we go to the Farm Hall H, 1950-51. They hadn't gone to the Super. Yeah, I just was flipping through this. I'm going to look at this better, but like I say, this is on loan. I have to be careful of this. M&W gears, yes. Never any experience with them, but New Idea spreaders out of Coldwater, Ohio. Oh, I love this. Anyhow, thank you.